guys, welcome back. I just wanted to give you guys a little video update of what's happening in my life right now. Um, terrible situation here. One of my best friends, well, basically my best friend that I've ever had in my life, um, took his own life Friday night. He's from New York, but he was in town, and not in town, but he was in Arizona on a road trip, or I guess he was checking out the Grand Canyon and stuff like that. Fine one day, the next day, just I don't know. But I guess he had mental illness for I don't know a while or his whole life. I didn't know how serious it was. I know he tried to take his life before about 10 years ago, and I thought he was better from that, and I thought he was over that, but I guess it ran a little deeper than I knew. And so basically, on Friday, I was at church, and we were having a worship night. And right after the end, sitting there just talking to people, hanging out, and I get this text message, basically like a little goodbye message, and basically just said like, it's like, yo, I'm gonna go kill myself, and yeah, he's just like, I don't even know, but he said a little message or whatever, and just like, I'll see you later, I'll see you in paradise. And he's like, it's just something I have to do. And like, so anyways, horrible. And so I've been grieving the last couple of days. I don't think it's quite fully hit me yet, but just like starting to realize that my best friend is never going to be there again here on this earth. I'm never going to hear his voice, and never gonna hear his laugh, never gonna be able to call him again. So it just really sucks. And so that's where I'm at, guys. So definitely, if you could keep his family and his friends in your prayer requests and thoughts and prayers, it would mean a lot to me. I have a great set of friends that have been there for me so far, and just so many people are reaching out to me. So that's been wonderful. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. So yeah, so if I had time off of work, which I probably don't, I'm pretty sure I burned all that last week or a couple weeks ago. If I had any paid time off, I would definitely take it. But sorry, my phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete some things. But basically, what I was saying is I'll probably be back on work on Monday for my company, like I've said. And so we'll see how it goes. At worst case, I'll just take some time off if I need to, depending on how hard that is. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. It really sucks, and I guess I'm just gonna have to live my life without him. But he will never be forgotten. He will always be with me in my thoughts, and he's just one of the best people that I've ever met, ever known. I honestly don't know if I've ever heard him complain about anything. He was basically like my therapist, basically just always listened to me complain. I felt bad about it actually, because I would always complain, and he was just like the nicest person. I didn't want to like I didn't want to make him complain, because he was like the nicest person ever, and I was like, I'm gonna like ruin this guy by being his friend. But he was just always the best. And basically I've known him for like 10 or 11 years, and met him on Xbox on Halo, and just the greatest guy. We always played together like every day, always talked on the phone, like growing up, like in high school and stuff, or going to college. Basically just like every day I'd get home, I'd just call him, like talk about our day, and basically just play video games together a lot. And even if we weren't, I'd just call him, and just to I don't know, just enjoy his presence. He was always great to talk to, always made me feel better, and definitely always, or now at least, and always influenced me to be a better person. And I was just gonna say something else I forgot, but um, something it's hard to think right now. But yeah, it's been a rough couple days, but yeah. So if you could just keep us all in your thoughts and prayers, that would be great. Yeah, what I was gonna say was basically, would just like, even if we weren't playing video games or anything like that, basically just call him up, just have a good time. He'd basically always pick up until like I don't know. We kind of not grew apart, but we just weren't as close the last like year or so. Um, I don't know if that's when he started to have more mental problems or anything like that, but would always just call him. He'd always pick up and would just talk for, just leave the phone going for like 4 or 8 hours. Just like living our lives together. It was good, and I'm definitely gonna miss him. And things aren't never gonna be the same, but he'll always be with me. I'll never forget him, and hopefully I can um, do my life right by him and just try to, I guess, make him proud. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.